SpaceX is my dream company, but I don't know how to start.
We'll provide you 50% scholarship, 100% placement and world-class infrastructure.
I think you're lying.
I will do everything for you, but you have to pay me first.
Aren't you being too greedy? No. Now what you can do for me?
You name it.
Best accreditation,
Done.
best placements,
Done.
world-class facilities, and career guidance.
Done.
But how can I trust you?
So why just trust my words? Visit our website where you can find testimonials of our previously placed students. If you still have doubts, come and visit Chandigarh University, a place where education meets excellence, a truly world-class university for your perfect dreams. So what are you waiting for? Visit and register at www.cuceht.in to land your perfect job and launch your perfect career.